Is your hair curly like Timothée on the movie Dune? If your hair is curly and you want to keep it a little bit longer, this is a great style for you. In this video, I share with you how I cut this haircut and how I style it on a real life model. Let's roll it! Hope you all got some great ideas on how to cut curly hair. If you did, give it a thumbs up, consider to subscribe to the channel, and don't miss to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you're a barber or stylist and you're interested in a full tutorial on this haircut, I'll be leaving a link on the bottom of the description. On that video, I'll be leaving some stop marks so you can stop and practice the techniques, and I will add some great commentary. This is Angel del Solar, taming some crows.